Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have n minus 6 and its whole cubed equals to minus 216, and we will solve this problem for the values of n. So now we can find all the roots of this problem. So the very first thing we are going to do is here we move this minus 216 in the left hand side, and we write it here n minus 6 whole cubed plus 216 equals to 0. So now in the next step you will first find the prime factors of 16 or only factors of 16, so we can write this 216 in the form of n minus 6 whole cubed plus, you know that 216 equals to 6 cubed, and this whole equation equals to 0. And in the next step here we need to use the nice cubic formula, and you know about this formula. If we have a cubed plus b cubed, it is equals to a plus b times of a squared minus ab plus b squared. So here we need to use this nice formula, so that according to this formula we will write this expression as because in this expression you have the value of a is n minus 6 and the value of b is only 6, so you just put the values of a and b in this formula and you will get its output in the form of here you have a plus b, and the value of a is n minus 6 plus the value of b is 6, and here you have a squared, and a is n minus 6 squared minus ab, and a is n minus 6 into b is 6, and plus b square means that 6 square, and this whole equation equals to 0. So now in the next step we will just make little bit simplifications here, and you see that this minus 6 and plus 6 are gone, and you will obtain here n times of, we will just open n minus 6 whole square identity, and you know that we have a squared minus 2 times of a into b plus b squared, and we multiply the 6 on both of the terms, and you get here minus 6 times of n plus 36, and again you open the 6 square, it is equals to 36, and this whole equation equals to 0. So in the next step we will make again simplifications here, so we add or subtract the like terms, and you know that we have n squared. Now we multiply this 2 times 6, and it will becomes minus 12 times of n, and we have 6 squared equals to 36, and minus 6 times of n, and you have 36 plus 36 equals to 72, and this whole equals to 0. So now again we have some simplifications, and you get n squared minus 12n minus 6n equals to minus 18n, and 36 plus 72 equals to 108, and this whole equation equals to 0. So in the next step we have two cases here. So the first case is we write n equals to 0, and the second case is we write n squared minus 18n plus 108 equals to 0. So this is the our first case or first solution of this problem, and now in order to find the other roots or other solutions we need to solve this nice quadratic equation. So we can solve this quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula, so that here we can first write the coefficients of this term, and we have the value of a is 1, and the value of b is minus 18, and the value of c is 108. And now we can write our nice quadratic formula, which is n equals to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times of ac and this whole over 2 times of a. So now we can just put the values of a, b, c here, and you easily get the other two roots of this equation. So now we put the value of b. So our b will be minus times of minus 18 and plus minus square root of b squared, and our b is minus 18 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 108, and this whole over 2 times of a, and our a equals to 1. So in the next step we will make little bit simplifications here, and you get n equals to, this is minus times of minus equals to 18, and we have this plus minus and square root of minus 18 square. So you know that minus 18 square equals to 324, and you have minus 4 times of 108 equals to 432, and this whole over 2. So in the next step we again need some simplifications here in order to get the value of n, so that we will write here 18 plus minus square root of 324 minus 432 equals to minus 108, and this whole over 2. So in the next step we will write it as 18 plus minus square root of we have 108, so we can write it as 36 times of 3. So when you multiply 36 by 3, then you will easily get 108. So and you have the negative sign, and we will break the minus 1 square root. We can just write the square root on minus 1 separate, and 108 by 36 times of 3, and this whole over 2. So in the next step we will make again little bit simplifications here, and you see that we have n equals to 18 plus minus we have 36 square root. So you know that the square root of 36 will be equals to 6 into square root of 3, and the square root of minus 1 will be equals to iota, and this whole over 2. So when you separate these two terms, then you will easily get the value in this form, which is 9, because when you open 18 over 2 you will get here 9, plus minus you have 6 over 2, you will get here 3 times of square root of 3 into iota. So this is the other two roots of the given question or given problem, and these are the two roots and our third root which is n equals to 0. So these are the three roots of the given problem, and this is our final answer of this problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.